All right, what is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. And guys, I wanted to come back here and touch base on a stock, my favorite OTC penny play. That's right, we're talking about Humbl, ticker symbol HMBL. Guys, this is like at a price that I never thought I would see this stock. $2.80. It closed here today on April the 12th. Just a couple days ago, you can see this thing was $3.40 some cents. It's down like 20%. Because of the market going so red. So now could be a great opportunity to get your hands on a phenomenal company that has huge potential to get you huge gains in the future in the stock market. So guys, we're going to go over the company roadmap and take a look at why I love this stock so much. All right, guys, I'm going to get started here. Humbl, a digital platform for the future consumers. That's right. Invest in the top performing asset class of the decade. As you can see here, Humbl is a synchronized customer experience. They got the Humbl Pay, they got the Humbl Marketplace, and they got the Humbl Financial. Down here, a new layer of contextual commerce. Basically, they're saying here in 1976 was Web 1 for Apple. The Web number 2 play was going to be Amazon in 1994. And they're telling us right now that basically Humbl is the next Amazon and the next Apple of 2021. I love the confidence of the company here, guys. I truly, truly love it. Web3 is a digital and built around you. They got the Humbl Play, Humbl Marketplace, and Humbl Financial. And if we keep going down here, it's Humbl, a global, customizable mobile application, how you can send money and also collect money. Humbl, connecting the world to digital economy. Consumers, freelancers, and merchant. That's right, guys. This is going to be basically better than PayPal, man. That's how I've been advertising this. This app is going to be better than PayPal, as you can see here. Merchant discovery, ratings, and reviews here on Humbl. You can do all this on here. You can check out different businesses. Personalizing your financial services right here. You can apply for credit cards. You can get all the different rewards there. They have personal loans. Truly, truly phenomenal right here. They even have a matching engine which will give you like Discover updates and things like that on certain credit card offers. Migrating to digital forms of money. That's right. Humbl from the United States, basically showing here that is going to be worldwide, guys. That's right. This thing's going worldwide, where Humbl will be used in the whole world, not just the United States. Which is why I like this. Is a huge opportunity to buy this now and just put it away. Consider this one of those retirement stocks and see where this bad boy goes in the next 3 to 5 years, maybe 10 years out. And will this be the next Apple? Will it be the next Amazon? The more I just keep digging into this company, the more excited that I get. Like I said, currently right now I do have 500 shares of Humbl. I'm super excited about it, and I have no intention of selling anything in any short term right now. All right, and if we look here at the next slide, Humbl, a full funnel technology stack. That's right. So first they had the discovery layer. Then they had the transaction layer, which is your merchants, individuals. Then they had the API services layer, which is banking, credit, lending, products. Guys, this is one that I'm so excited about the future of this. And I'm not going to lie, I think I have like $1.50, $1.60 average cost on this. Now, you cannot buy this on Hmbl. You cannot buy this on Robinhood. You have to buy this on like Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, a place where you can purchase the OTC stocks. Also, guys, here it is, Humbl, a modular super application, Humbl. And here it has your merchants, discovery ratings, and reviews, peer-to-peer commerce, ticketing, delivery. Humbl has been developed in a modular capacity for customization by the region, which we also know that they currently picked up Tickery, which is huge. Here is the mobile roadmap of 21. Stage 1 will begin with the merchants. Stage 2 will continue with peer-to-peer. And stage 3 would be the Humbl hubs. That's right. Basically where you're going to be able to go into a store and pay with Humbl. Here it is where Humbl has acquired Tickery. Right there it is. Be able to buy stuff right here you go. An instant ticketing integration for Humbl. Right there it is. Software, bookings, box offices, contactless, and merchandise. So right there it is. You can buy event tickets, things like that, showing you all right here where you can do that now since they acquired Tickery. Tickery contacts Latin audiences to live events. Guys, this is huge as well. Like I said, they're not just focusing on the United States. This is worldwide, man. So the possibilities for this is going to be endless. And here you go. Tickery has worked with proven venues and artists. As you can see, they worked with people here like Bad Bunny, J Balvin. I'm trying to see if there's any people that I know. I know these are more of the hip young, for my hip young people that is probably in the teens right now. Unfortunately, I am not in the teens. But we are familiar with like Boost Mobile, Live Nation. Who else we got down here? We got Giggles, Heineken, Sidekick, Bands in Town. Now these are places that I have heard of. We keep going down here. Hmbl will be working with contactless fan experiences. Now that to me is pretty interesting. Planned verticals, concerts, events, festivals, arenas, sports, and casinos. So I think the casino is pretty interesting because a lot of casinos do have events, guys, so that makes sense. A lot of the casinos in my local area will bring like stars around, like country singers, rock and roll people, heavy metal. You know, they even bring some hip hop and stuff in there. So they do bring comedians and things like that as well. We also got the Humbl Studios and the merch shop. That's right. You can get your Humbl hat. You can get a Humbl hoodie, Humbl t-shirt. They have the long sleeve. They have even your face mask there as well. Now, we're getting down here into some interesting stuff at the end of these last couple slides, which I do think is pretty interesting. The Humbl Studios, guys, where it's going to have the blockchain and the marketplace listings. That's right. Going to be very, very good right here. Here's where we got the Hmbl Financial. Digital asset investing made simple. Built for the next generation of investors. That's right. So here it is. Hmbl Financial, blockchain financial services. Now, it's basically giving you a timeline of where we saw the Apple, Amazon, and now Hmbl. This is kind of doing the same thing. They're saying in 1920s, the mutual funds was the way to go with letting the mutual funds handle it. In the 1990s, it was your ETFs. Now they're saying the brand new thing for 2020 is going to be your ETXs, which is basically going to be doing it in cryptos. That's right. It's basically like an ETF for your cryptocurrency. So that is pretty exciting. Hmbl Financial has developed exciting new software that helps customers active, index, and thematic baskets of exposure to new digital asset trading markets. So the people may ask, why do you need to have a service doing like cryptocurrency ETXs? Well, guys, as you know, cryptocurrencies do not cut off like the stock market. So stock market will generally run like 9:30 to 4 o'clock. As you know, cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all those guys, they trade 24/7. So you could wake up one morning and be boom, like something could have happened. This thing could go down to zero. At least in the stock market, they have set hours that it cannot happen. Everyone has a chance to get in there in the trading hours. So I think that's a pretty key thing right there. Here is going to be the company roadmap for Hmbl, as you can see right here. In Q1, for the Hmbl Pay, they're going to have the beta and the merchants. Here also in Q1 for the marketplace, they're going to have merchant listings. Also in Q1 for the Hmbl Financial, they're going to launch the ETXs. In Q2, they're going to work on the Hmbl Pay peer-to-peer. And on the marketplace, they're going to have the blockchain listings. And they're going to be marketing the ETXs. That's right. So they're going to be marketing those ETXs for the cryptocurrencies. In Q3 for Hmbl Pay is going to be agent locations. Also in Q3 for the marketplace, going to be blockchain listings. They're going to continue that. And down here in Q3 for the financial, they're going to be doing more financial services. In Q4 of this year, Hmbl Pay will do key verticals. In the marketplace, they're going to continue with the blockchain listings. They're really going to be focused on that, guys. And in Q4, they're going to be doing credit and lending. Now, for me, I think that's pretty huge, guys. They're going to be doing credit and lending. That is people usually do that stuff. And usually when you have your credits and your people in credit cards and loans, people usually stay with that. So here is the strategic roadmap, as you can see right here. In Q4 of 2020, the reverse merger completed of 12.9, where it's basically, I used to have 1,600 shares of Humbl. Then it went to that reverse merger. It was a 4-to-1 split. So basically my 1,600 got converted down to 400. That's right. But they did increase the price 4x. So I did go in and buy more shares after that reverse merger. They launched the Humbl Studios and pursuing merger, acquisition, and country rights. So here in Q1, they did purchase Tickery, which we do know that they did. They also got the ticker symbol changed. They launched the Hmbl Financial and finalizing country rights. And in Q2, they're going to be focusing on the mobile app, ticketing integrations, and audited company financials. Now, that is what people have been waiting for. We want to see some financials on Humbl. And I think once we get these audited company financials, this thing could take off once we start seeing how much money this company is making. In Q3, they're going to be doing the key verticals: government, RFPs, banking, wireless, and merchant partners. And in Q4, it's going to be the Humbl Shareholder Conference and the affiliate sales and marketing leaders. So, guys, like I said, I wanted to bring you this here. That is the safe harbor statement. But guys, I wanted to bring you all this here in a video because I thought it was very important that we cover this for Humbl. And it's a stock that I am invested in, total of 500 shares currently. So yes, I am a shareholder. I think out of my 500 shares on Fidelity, I do have an average cost, I think, of $1.60, $1.80. I don't know, somewhere. It's not at $2. I do know that. It's in my Fidelity account. And I'm telling you right now, at $2.80, I am tempted to go and pick up another 100 shares. So that would take me up to 600 shares. This is a company that, if you're young, if you have 5-10 years left and you're investing and you want to take a gamble on something, I do think this is still a little bit of a spec play because we have not seen any financials of this company. So there is a little bit of a risk. This company may not be making money. They may be making money. There's a lot of unanswered questions. But I think here soon this year, this could be one that will possibly break out. Guys, I've been covering this since last year in December, I believe, is when I first was purchasing this bad boy at like 10 and 20 cents. And now we're up to almost over $2.80 today. But this thing at one point was over $7. And, as the market going red, there's great buying opportunities. And I do believe Humbl is one. So I wanted to bring it to you today. So, guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. It had a lot of information in it. Hit that thumbs up. Join the Thumbs Up Nation. You guys know I have those links down below for Hmbl and that Patreon group. So, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.